Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Beige. If you are new here, welcome. Don't forget to give this video a huge thumbs up and comment down below before you leave. Today's video is going to be a tutorial on this wig. This wig was sent to me from RPGSHOW. I will have all of their information, the promo codes, and the direct links down below in the description box. The wig that I received is 20 inches. This is a Yaki textured full lace wig. The lace has been tinted light brown and the hair color is the same as picture. It has gorgeous auburn highlights throughout, and the wig does also come layered. RPGSHOW continues to live up to the hype. Their hairlines come ready to wear, the knots are fully plucked, and the knots are deep bleached, so no extra work is needed. The cap construction features 3 combs, an adjustable strap, and an elastic band. Here is how the wig looks on the mannequin head straight out of the package. The wig comes pre-styled, so you get a pretty good idea of how it will look once it's installed. Let's take a quick look at the full lace cap. The entire wig cap has knots, so no tracks were sewn onto this wig at all, meaning that you can literally part this wig in any direction to do any hairstyle that you would with your own natural hair. Which hairstyles would you wear with this full lace wig cap? Let me know in the comments. And the wig does have baby hairs in the back. Yaki hair textures are my absolute favorite because of how natural they look. The full lace cap construction paired with this Yaki texture makes this wig a complete must-have. I came up with a few super quick and easy hairstyles. Let me know which one was your favorite in the comment section. All right, so now I'm just going to tint the lace. I'm grabbing 2 different shades of lace tint. The first one is the color of my foundation, and I'm going to spray that on the under portion of lace where my hairline is. The second shade is the color of my scalp. I'm going to spray that on the inner portion of the lace frontal portion of this wig on the underside of lace. I'm doing 2 different layers of each color of lace tint and then blow drying after each layer. Now it is time to style the wig. I am going to be wearing this hair out of my face, so I do want to prep the hair just to make sure that all of the hairs are going in the direction that I need them to go into. So I am grabbing this hair wax stick from Care and applying it to the hairline. After applying that hair wax stick, I will be using my pressing comb to smooth everything down. To style the rest of the hair, I'm grabbing BioSilk Silk Infusion Hair Serum, applying that to my fingertips, and then applying it to the hair. The wig did come pre-curled, but because it was in the package, it did kind of take the shape of the package, so I'm just going to lightly recurl everything. I am doing just curls out of my face. If you have made it this far into the video, hashtag full lace in the comment section. Grabbing a pair of scissors, I'm going to slice that extra lace down the center to divide the extra lace into 2 different sections. Grabbing a pair of pinking shears, I'm going to carefully cut in front of the hairline, getting rid of that extra lace but not cutting into the hairline. So just carefully following the natural curvature of this hairline. To prep my skin for install, I'm grabbing alcohol and applying that to my forehead. Then I'll be grabbing scalp protector from Walker tape and applying that to my scalp. Holding the wig on its side so that I have a very clear view of the hairline, I'm going to grab Wonder Lace Bond and spray a very thin layer of that to the very edge of the lace front portion of this wig, and then blow dry for a few seconds until that adhesive becomes tacky. Then I'll be putting on my headscarf for about 10 or 15 minutes to allow everything to set. I love the fact that you get your complete money's worth because you can do any type of hairstyle with this wig. Literally, it's perfect. This is how the wig looks with no baby hairs. I did end up adding a little bit of baby hairs because I have a low hairline. I did do that off camera. I did end up doing a few quick and easy hairstyles, so let me know which one was your favorite in the comment section. Thank you so much for watching. If you have any questions, don't forget to leave them in the comment section. I'll have all of the information, the promo codes, and the direct links to this gorgeous wig from RPG Show in the description box. So check in the description box for more information, and I can't wait to see you all in my next video. Bye, guys.
Beige Jose. Yeah, that's right. It's beige Jose.